Once they clear quality control, the toothbrushes are ready for packaging. Automated systems sort and prepare each unit for blister packing. The journey begins with huge piles of discarded plastic pipes. They are collected and transported to a recycling facility for processing.
These dirty, discarded plastic pipes may look completely useless, but believe it or not, they can be given a second life and transformed into brand new toothbrushes.
But the process is far from over. These plastic pieces are still covered with dirt, dust, and other contaminants. The recycled plastic pellets are fed into an advanced molding machine. Using precision molds, the machine begins shaping the handles of the toothbrushes. The melted plastic is processed and transformed into small pellets. These tiny pellets will become the raw material for a completely new product. Transformed from plastic waste, these perfectly shaped handles emerge. The handles are cooled and carefully inspected. Any pieces with defects are removed before moving to the next stage. Now comes one of the most important steps. Automated machines insert thousands of tiny bristles into the heads of the toothbrushes. The bristles are trimmed and shaped to the correct length. This ensures that every toothbrush has a consistent and comfortable design. Next, the tips of the bristles are carefully finished and smoothed. Every small detail matters when producing a product designed for everyday use.
The completed toothbrushes go through another inspection process. Only products that meet the factory's quality standards are allowed to continue.
Automated machines quickly place each toothbrush into its individual package. Thousands of finished products can be prepared in a surprisingly short time. From discarded plastic waste to a clean, everyday product, every step shows the incredible power of modern recycling and manufacturing. It is hard to believe that this entire journey started with old, dirty plastic pipes that many people would simply throw away.